how to fix Roblox installer encountered a critical error problem. So if you want to fix your Roblox installer encountered a critical error problem, then what you need to do is first you just need simply right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager. And here you find the Roblox installer, you just need simply right click on it and then you need to go with end task. And after ending the task of your Roblox installer, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with the installer, right click on it, and then go with run as administrator. Or go with properties, and from here you need to go with compatibility and go with run this program for compatibility mode, and then run this program as an administrator and click on apply and then OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to uninstall your Roblox player. You need to search for add or remove programs and click on the system settings. From here, you need to go with your search and then search for Roblox. And after searching for your Roblox player, you need to click on it and then go with uninstall, which is right here, and uninstall your player. After uninstalling, you need to go back and reinstall it. After reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply go and update your Roblox. Or what you can do is open up your settings. From the settings, you need to go with update and security and update your Windows. And after updating your Windows, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.